This month we're looking south at Sagittarius and Scorpius, which are separated by the core of our Milky Way galaxy. The brightest stars in Sagittarius look just like a teapot, complete with a nearby group of stars resembling a teaspoon. The center of our galaxy looks like hot steam spewing from the teapot's spout. Even with a pair of binoculars, you'll find Milky Way star clusters and knots of nebulae. Just aim at the brighter, clumpy areas. Use binoculars to look for the globular cluster M22, just above and to the left of the teapot's lid. It's composed of about 83,000 stars and fills as much sky as the moon. M8, the Lagoon Nebula, is a giant star-forming interstellar cloud, faintly visible to the naked eye from mid-northern latitudes. Seen with binoculars, it appears as an oval, cloud-like patch with a core. With a telescope, a star cluster formed from the material of the Lagoon Nebula itself is easy to see, appearing superimposed on it. You'll see a dark patch bisecting the two lobes. Like many nebulae, it appears pink in time exposure color photos, but is gray to the eye peering through binoculars or a telescope. You will need a telescope to see B86, a pretty, dark nebula just above the teapot spout. It's a shock to see a tiny patch so dark that the Milky Way is obscured. Looking in the same direction, we can see two dwarf planets. Near Sagittarius this month is Pluto. That little teaspoon star shape near the teapot is where amateur astronomers can look for Pluto all month long. You'll need a medium-sized telescope and some experience, patience, and a little weather luck to see Pluto, but do look in the direction of the dwarf planet and think of NASA's New Horizons spacecraft approaching and flying by it on July 14th. Another dwarf planet, Ceres, is at opposition, not too far away from Pluto, in the southern sky between Sagittarius and Capricornus. That's where NASA's Dawn spacecraft is orbiting right now.
There was Pluto, and it had this big, exciting moon called Charon. And then we found another one, and another one. We keep finding these moons, totally unexpected, and a great surprise. So it'll be very interesting to see what we find when we get there. How many more are there? I actually think we have no idea what we're going to find. It could be completely different. You see these fabulous paintings that people have drawn of icy surfaces and clouds and mist and rocks and mountains. Could be completely